My name's Stefan Bouchain, and I'm Vice President of Operations for Global Vehicle Systems. Our customers are automotive Tier 1 parts manufacturers with locations in Canada, the US, and Mexico. Our job, and our staff takes great pride in it, is finding a specific custom solution for the application. So we've worked with Javelin Technologies for about 15 years. In the beginning, primarily as a reseller of SOLIDWORKS software and the provision of training for those softwares. And then most recently in the area of 3D printing. Global and Javelin seem to have a similar strategy in that they see the value in adopting new technology. The investment and reinvestment in their employees and training is something that we like to do as well. We've utilized Javelin to assist our staff in utilizing skills assessments, on-site support, remote support, and training. With any new technology, the fear of the unknown or fear of not knowing or admitting that you might not know something, the Javelin trainers have always seemed to kind of help break down those barriers for not just new employees, but long-standing employees who may have been using the software for years. We consider Javelin a partner that we can trust, and that at the end of the day is looking out for our best interests, not just the bottom line. They've allowed us to optimize our use of not just the software, but obviously the additive manufacturing. They've allowed us to provide a better end product for our customers. Their specific skill set and their product offering really does put us at the leading edge versus our competition. What they provide is not just reselling of software, it's solution and support for our creativity and innovation. What I would say to someone who isn't utilizing all of Javelin's services is that we made that mistake. The investment made with a strategic partner like Javelin, and I specifically say investment because that's what it is, can yield benefit that in most cases you weren't able to measure before.